This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Lisa Vitiello. Conveniently located 1 mile to Global Foundries. Less than 3 miles to the Zin Smith Trail Head, where you can run, walk or bike ride along the 9-mile trail. Access to Little Round Lake across Route 67 for fishing and kayaking. Easy access to I-87. Duplex has an open floor plan with large dining room and family room area with sliding glass doors onto a private deck and shared backyard. Master bedroom has 2 closets. Appliances are all less than 5 years old. Spacious and clean 1-car garage. Owner pays for water/sewer, trash removal, lawn care and snow removal. Dogs upon approval with additional deposit, no cats. Freshly painted and ready to move in. Available immediately. For more information, review the details below.